boy finally done made it. I'm outside in an AMG. Two-tone, baby, and you know me.
Right outside. Two-turn, baby, girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that ain't come inside. All the niggas round me, hiding it.
What are the folks saying? Got multiple codes. Some of them are for random misfires. Got one for a sensor that I have that's missing that tells me the outside temperature. Just trying to see. Misfire. It's allowed to be misfire. You can misfire from it being your spark plug going bad, your full pack's going bad, and since this one's direct fuel injection, so this one can have carbon buildup, which will cause it to misfire as well. Yo, what's up guys? So today we're making a custom spoiler for the GTI. So what we bought was some aluminite, a common material people use to, you know, make their splitters and custom spoilers or whatever. And this is what we work with right now. This is the final product. It was rushed, but we're gonna be cutting out this and putting it on the GTI. So let's get it.
I ain't got no love for no bitch, but you the golden one, real holding one. She a star, she call me Obi-Wan. Other bitches walk around like a nigga. I ain't got no love for no bitch, but you the golden one, real holding one. She a star, she call me Obi-Wan. Other bitches walk around like a nigga on some. Said she want Chanel, call the boots, the cop a stolen one. You the one I want on side the stage when the show is done. Lately I've been going through a phase, tryna pocket some. Told you the one, shit you laugh like it's a joke or something. It's okay, that's the price you pay when you act away. Strip away all the fame and fortune, I'ma be okay. She said she don't fuck with liars, don't like how they operate. I bought me some brand new tires, time to drift my life away.
That when I first made up. That when I first made 100 grand. Yeah, that when I first made 100 grand. Now I was shit. When I first made 100 grand.
What's it? Still will be a little uneven.
When I first made 100 grand. Made 100 grand. Yeah, okay. Back then they used to call me little. Now I'm riding something clean in the coat, made on armadillo. Haven't got the memo. Saying
got a thing on my hoe, keep that thing with my hoe. Man, I swing with my hoe. Who are you? Not my bro, not my bro. She my hoe, she my hoe, bro, my heart, bro, my heart. Oh my God, she a thought, yeah on God, yeah on God. He a fraud, smoke some grass, boy I'm fried.
I'm good. Yeah, I gotta cut this off.
I'm sure you love me, ain't shy you love me. Baby girl wanna be with me, baby girl what you see in me. Heal the world where I always be, rule the world where I always be. I keep it pulled where I always be. Who are you, girl, you knowing me? Who are you, you don't know me? Want real love, girl, show me. I sing a sad song with my house, do the dance, yeah, with my house. I got bands, yeah, I got moms. I got bands, they for my house. I got friends, oh, when they fall. I got friends, they turn the fucks. She told me
Ooh,
Notch or no notch?
I kind of like it like that.
The notch. I feel like I want to go deeper with the notch though. Look at it from the side.
How you feel about that, Matt?
Yeah, I like notch. Keep it notch. Alright, just gotta make it even.
She on go. Where you hide at, boy, where you stay at, boy, where you be at, boy, where I got 6, boy, beware. Yeah, she play in my head. Yeah, she all in my head. Yeah, she gon' get me head. And I'm better off dead. And she wants to go red. I am better than the rest. Watch me count up these shells. I've been in the hills lately, baby, can I know you, baby?
Here it is. No, I actually think I'm gonna get rid of this.
Too high?
Yeah, do this one. Still doesn't hit? It's angled weird, ain't it? So we definitely need longer screws.
I told you.
But it's on there.
For now.
But it's on.
Yo, what's up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed that video, you feel me? I couldn't do an outro, it was too cold, you feel me? I didn't feel like recording after that. It was like, it had to be like 10 degrees. I only had that little black polo hoodie on me, you feel me? Not even a hoodie, just a regular jacket without really my hood on because of my hair. So I was just, you know, tired and too cold at that point. But we test fitted it, as you guys see, we bolted it in. But we was just, you know, practicing, like seeing how it was, you know, you feel me, for our final product. But if you want to see him primer and actually paint it, link down will be below so you can see that on his channel. But I was just showing you guys how to, you know, draw it and with the materials and, you know, the cutting and what we use to cut it and really just all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I have another video coming out in a few more days showing you something else, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, y'all know my name.
6, boy, beware. Yeah, she play in my head. Yeah, she all in my head. Yeah, she gon'